What's up, guys? So this is my new Dewalt DWS780, and this thing was broken straight out of the box. I just ran into my first issue trying to cut a 2x8, and I had to use the sliding feature, obviously. And what I'm seeing is, if you guys take a look, the sliding feature, the saw is actually catching on my adjustment there, and it's binding up the saw. You can hear it. So something's not quite right. I'm not 100% sure what's going on. That is my issue right there. I just pulled the dust collection port, and from the factory it shipped just like that. You can see that those pieces are misaligned, and I think that's what that's doing, is it's pushing on these little rivets down here. It's causing them to be lower, and it's hitting that as it's going through. So I'm going to realign these, see if I get the right clearance, and see if it fixes it. So I went ahead and removed this screw up top, pulled it out, kind of played with it, tried to reshape the tube, put it back in, pushed on it, bent it a little bit, and now it seems to be clearing without issue. So I'm happy with this so far, but I'm going to call DeWalt and try to have them send me a new dust collection tube just so I have one. I'm sure they'll do it, no problem. I'm pretty disappointed. I called their customer support before taking it apart. Absolutely worthless. Pretty sad, to be honest. The guy just sat there and read through the manual, trying to find something that I didn't find, and it was just not helpful at all. So kind of bummed about that, but I got it fixed. It's working great. I've already used it on a couple projects since yesterday, and it's been awesome. Just got to get that dust collection tube fixed.